Discussing what to wear to court. For an example, what to wear to an employment tribunal. And I'll be speaking from the perspective of living in the UK. Today we went to church and we've just had a nap. So I hope if anybody's been to church today, you had a great service. We actually attend a church called Dunamis. That's Dumanis. It's a really good church, and I recommend that you check it out, look into it. It's a really good church. So today, it's going to be a very quick live, and I'll be talking about what to wear to court, specifically to an employment tribunal. So the first thing is to dress smart, to dress smartly. I don't believe it will make an impression on what verdict that you get, but it's just all part of making the effort. Um, Dressing smart doesn't mean you need to wear a suit. Dressing smart just means that you make an effort, that you wear clean clothes that are presentable. Um, yeah, so you don't need to, um, you know, buy anything expensive. You just need to look smart. Also, be conservative. So to dress conservative means that you're not wearing any you're not wearing any controversial slogans or comments on your person. Also to look professional, so just to look neutral basically. So probably not to wear anything that has any offensive statements or any political statements or anything like that. Obviously you can do if you want, but it is advisable not to. Make sure you're hygienic, so make sure you don't smell. Um, the most important thing I would say is to wear something where you feel comfortable, so you're not so you're not wearing something that's too tight or too small or too big. Just make sure that you're comfortable and you're not wearing something that's potentially distracting your mind from the matter at hand. I would say wear something muted. So when you go to court, wear something muted, which means just wear something that's quite subtle. You don't need to stand out necessarily. Obviously, just wear what's in your wardrobe, but just make sure that it's clean, it's presentable, it hasn't got any controversial statements on it at all. Conservative, professional, neutral. Um, Also, in courts in England, you're not allowed to wear anything on your head unless it's for religious reasons. So ordinarily, you wouldn't wear a hat or a cap or anything, um, unless you're given permission to by the judge. Um, but you can wear a headscarf, etc., if it's for religious reasons. And obviously, you can wear a wig or weave. Um, for myself, attending court, I'll probably wear dress or skirt, blouse. I wouldn't wear a suit. I think suit is too formal. And ultimately, what you wear shouldn't actually impact on the outcome of your of your case. Sometimes it's more a matter of making yourself feel confident and making yourself feel that you're giving yourself a good advantage. I wouldn't necessarily wear dark colours. That's not mandatory, but it definitely would be muted. It would be stated colours. You can wear bright colours, but not too bright. Um, in situations where I've in situations when I was a teenager and I've attended court, I think I have worn trainers, baggy jeans, and all the rest of it. But a lot of the time, the judge is quite sympathetic to that and gives you the benefit of the doubt. And clearly, because I was so young, just a teenager, I don't believe it affected what I was there for in any case. But now, obviously, as I'm older, I know better, and I do want to make the best effort when I am in court. So what I would say is, if you attend court, employment tribunal is formal, but not to the level of a criminal court. However, it is still very formal, and so I would I would I wouldn't wear a suit. Definitely wouldn't wear a suit. But definitely dress smart, conservative, professional, clean, hygienic, smell nice, neutral colours, comfortable, no cleavage unless it can be helped. Legs out probably, but with stockings, dark stockings. Nothing on your head, no headgear unless it's for religious reasons or you have permission from the judge. I'll probably wear a blouse or dress or skirts, smart shoes, not trainers, not open toe sandals. And yeah, so that's my those are my thoughts on how to dress to court. It, as I said, it shouldn't have an impact on the outcome of your case, although it can be an indication of how seriously you're taking the proceedings. You don't have to buy anything new, you don't have to buy anything expensive. Just make sure that what you do have in your wardrobe is clean and presentable. I think it's different if you're going in front of a jury as to being in front of a judge. Hi Matrix Glitch. Please like my live and subscribe to my channel if you like some more topics to be looked at. But yeah, so that's it really. There's not much else to say in regards to how to dress the court. But I have a employment tribunal I'll be attending at the end of March. A lot of work has gone into it, a lot of effort, a lot of time, a lot of stress. It's been very stressful. And if we don't settle, I'll be attending 6 days, 6 days at the end of March. I'll fully win close to the time because you can follow it online. You can actually access the case online if we don't settle. But yeah, so that's the end of March. Got lots of deadlines and lots of case management to meet and to get on with. But yeah, in my previous situations as a teenager, when I've attended court, I haven't dressed smart. I wore trainers, jeans, and I don't believe it had any influence on what I was there for. I think it's different if you're attending a case with a jury as to without a jury. I think that's totally different because I guess you're trying to sway the jury or you're trying to create a perception for the jury and you're trying to impress them, I guess. But yeah, employment tribunals, there is no jury, so I guess there's less pressure to try and sway people's thinking about you. But yeah, so that's it. If you have any questions at all, feel free to put it in the chat. I'll probably be in this live for 3 more minutes or so, just 10 minutes today. So if you have any questions, you can put it in the chat. Or if you have any suggestions for any topics you would like me to bring up over the coming weeks, feel free to put that in the chat as well. Okay. Yeah, if you have any questions or if there's any topics you'd like me to bring up over the next few weeks, just put it in the chat for me. Sorry, I'm just Thank you. Yeah, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions for the next couple of minutes, feel free to ask. You can put any questions in the chat. If there's any topics you'd like me to research and look into, you can put those topics in the chat as well. Thank you. Thank you so much. I can't. Um, Hi, Arlo Hirel. I'm fine. How are you? I'm trying to pronounce Exa Exne. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it. Do you have any questions at all, or are there any topics that you'd like me to look into over the coming weeks? You can make suggestions, and I can do some research and look into it. But thank you for subscribing, and thank you for liking the live. I'm trying to build up my watch hours. I've got so much hours to make up. So I'm just trying to build up my watch hours. I need to do like 4,000 and I've only done like 150. So I've got no idea how this is going to work. You know, over the past year, this tribunal case has I've gone not even great. My hair has gone white over the past year, like just so rapidly due to the stress. If any of you are facing any employment tribunals, if you have any questions, you can put those in the chat. Any questions about employment tribunals, UK based? I'll just tell you a few things about what I plan to do over this year, God willing. My partner and I were opening an Airbnb in Ghana, so hopefully we'll be giving you content from Ghana, from our Airbnb. Um, Also, I'm going to start interviewing people overseas. So if you work overseas and you'd like me to interview you about what job you do and which country you're based in, I'll be happy to do that. Also, I'll want to arrange a few things for my subscribers. I have plans for the up and coming year to do things for my subscribers, just as a thank you for your commitment and for your support. But yeah, so I'm going to go now. If nobody has any questions, or if nobody has any topics they'd like to suggest for me to cover over the coming months, I'll be leaving now. Also, I go swimming 2 or 3 times a week, but we're not allowed to film in the pool. So although I can do lives from the pool, I'm not allowed to film anyone. So when I do lives from the pool, you're not actually going to see anybody in any swimming costume because I wouldn't want to violate anybody's privacy. But yeah, so that's all I have for today. Thank you for joining me. Please like the live and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back on Wednesday. I'll be doing a live on Wednesday on if you check the if you check my if you check my page, you'll see the topic for Wednesday. But I'll be back on Wednesday at 8 o'clock with another live. If you don't have any questions for today, I'll be going. If you have any topics, any suggestions, anything you'd like me to cover, if you work in a different country and you would like me to do a small interview with you, feel free to contact me, and I will see you all on Wednesday on my next live. And I thank you for supporting me today. If you are of faith, I hope you enjoyed your service today. If not, I hope you're just enjoying having a lie-in and catching up on some well-needed sleep. Anyway, thank you once again for your support. Thank you. Bye.